There's a toilet I can take a dump in and feel happy doing it.
I'm literally so happy.
So Claudia, what happened?
We missed our bus.
Then what happened?
I met my new boyfriend Joe. Joe, if you're watching this, give me a shout out. I mean, hit me up.
Give me a shout out if you're watching this.
Get right up in there. This is classic hangover makeup.
So now we're going to Brussels instead because it was like £20 cheaper. Yeah, well, that's how it works. Everything worked out fine except for the £50 we wasted on the first bus. Oops. I think you tried to give me the finger, but it wasn't very effective. Better. Hey, Claudia. Now say something funny.
My name. Hello, at the bus. You want to scrape by? But you're not making it.
You can leave the bus for 15 minutes, so be back 4:25. You can buy food, but you can't bring hot food into the bus, so you have to eat it there or outside.
You already had that food in here at sausage roll?
I didn't heat it up.
You had cold sausage roll?
Yes, except I didn't realise when I said, don't worry about heating it up, I'm gonna have it cold later on. That like it was actually not cooked. Like, not cooked. So I ate a frozen sausage roll like a fucking animal.
I hope you're not getting horribly sick.
I know you love it when I do this in public. Where are we now? I don't know. We're not in Russia. Border control.
Or for all you Frenchies out there, le border de control.
I would have believed that if you didn't laugh at the end.
And there was a border control thing, we had to show our passports, we're somewhere between
I
them.
could actually do an episode of border control.
The person that gets
365 million people cross the border between.
Oh, you mean like if one time they wanted to have a guest narrator?
Each day.
France. They're
These
always
are their
trying to smuggle
stories.
in cheese.
Dun, dun.
I'm slightly nervous about the fact that the bus driver will probably literally murder us if we're at all late.
Oh my god.
Oh, they have all the different types of Coke here. Do you want a Coke? It's 2 for 3. We even have vanilla. We don't get vanilla here. France, 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 France. We're not even going there.
Now I'm just prancing on my own. That was evil.
So we're on a bus, which is a bus on a train, which is about to go underwater. You look so good. Says me.
Had it.
Hello.
This is the base of the one that's had it.
Dun, 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 dun. Hey Claudia, where are we?
Jack! I'll never let go!
Oh yeah, okay, I guess. I was thinking more like aliens running between the, pressurized compartments, but Titanic works too. I mean, this place is weird.
Ik ben in the Netherlands! It's like, shut up, bitch!
Ik ben geen Nederlands spreken.
I'm in Netherlands speak.
Zich
Zhish?
bent geen Nederlands spreken.
Why are you saying spreken?
Because I'm saying you don't speak Dutch.
Oh yeah.
So I think I was trying to say I don't speak Dutch. She doesn't speak Dutch.
Ja?
Ja,
Ik
ja.
ben Nederlands. Yes?
Het,
I am Netherlands.
het water. Ik ben melk.
Ik drink de melk.
Het zap. Zap. Fuck. soft in German.
Oh my god, this is so nice.
We have our own bathroom.
Oh, Belgium, I like you.
Oh my god, I think I just ruined my pants a little bit. I did. I literally like clenched up my legs. There's a shower. Oh my god, Claudia, this is too nice for us. I think we're in the wrong place.
It's clean. The shower's clean.
There's a toilet I can take a dump in and feel happy doing it.
I'm literally so happy. I've been in a hostel for like 2 months.
Bonjour, Belgium. Cat milk, Belgium.
Vitamin, Belgium.
And a heater. I'm just so happy. Multiple power plugs that aren't right next to each other.
It's got Dutch.
It's Avengers.
Oh, this
Yes,
is
yeah.
good, Alex. This is really good.
You know what's not good though is that we're gonna get really into it and then we're not gonna want to leave.
Okay, my question is, how much did this cost us?
Have a TV in the bathroom. Not going out.
Oh my god. Well, I kind of want to go out.
Yeah. Head rock.
Heads up.
So after learning all this Dutch in the last half an hour of the bus trip, we get here and apparently everyone speaks French. It wasn't so expensive, I'd still let it stay longer.
Yeah, so would I. I'd be like, let's move to Belgium, we're done. This is our room forever now.
Okay, guess what it is in French? Frigo. Do you? Because first day you're all, I don't care.
Boy.
We're gonna go and explore the town. Claudia's trying to summon up all of her French that she learned from high school because
Rough times.
rough times.
Ouais, ça marche. Et donc, that's it.
Fromage, baguette, croissant.
Hamon, which I literally don't know what that
Olive or
means. It could
croissant.
mean bacon. It could mean ham. It could mean nothing.
Pork. Pork.
Je ne comprends pas.
Je ne comprends pas. I don't understand. Je ne comprends pas.
We have success made. We have food.
Claudia cracked out some French. It was great. I did not. I couldn't even remember the word merci. So the lady like spoke at me in French, gave me a number. I gave her 10 euros, and I left. Would have been better if I just said thank you. She would have been like, okay, beach. We're gonna be gross and eat a lot of shit, so you don't need to see that. Treat ourselves to a night in the new hotel room.
We're gonna be fucking.
Quel est le prix? Quel est le prix? Qu'est-ce là?
Qu'est-ce là?
Qu'est-ce dit là?
Quel est le prix de cela?